Hello everybody! Today, we're about to embark on a profound journey into the mystical realm of the universe's response to the power of the present moment. Join us as we delve into the importance of using the present tense in your affirmations and prayers to harness the universe's boundless energy. This knowledge can change your life, so stick around. Today, we are discussing a simple yet powerful trick. Many people try hard and soulfully to pray wholeheartedly and manifest their desires. But they often make a small mistake. That's why they think prayer or manifestation does not work. Once you know this secret point, you will be able to fulfill all your desires effortlessly. Imagine you're planning a road trip, and you keep saying, "I will enjoy the journey." However, this mindset keeps the enjoyment perpetually in the future. You're constantly anticipating but never fully experiencing the joy of the present moment during the actual trip. Similarly, when you use future tenses in your prayers or manifestations, like saying "I will be happy" or "I will have abundance," you're unintentionally pushing those positive experiences away from your current reality. It creates a perpetual state of waiting for something that never quite arrives. By using present tenses, like "I am happy" or "I have abundance now," you bring those positive energies into your current reality. It's like enjoying the scenic view during your road trip in the present rather than always looking ahead. This shift in focus can make your manifestations more potent and immediate. So, you can understand that the magic happens when you shift your affirmations and prayers to the present tense. The universe responds to your present tense affirmations more readily because it interprets your desires as happening right now. It aligns its energy with your present moment, thus hastening the manifestation process. It's crucial to embody the present tense in all aspects of your life. Live as if your desires are already here. Feel the emotions, visualize the outcomes, and act as if you're living your dream life. When you use the present tense, you resonate with the frequency of your desires in the now. This resonance strengthens your connection with the universe, making it more responsive to your intentions. Maintain consistency in using the present tense in your affirmations, prayers, and thoughts. This consistent alignment with the now keeps the energetic channel open for your manifestations to flow effortlessly. Also, it is very important to be very clear about your desires and have complete faith in the outcomes. Imagine you're placing an order at a restaurant. You tell the waiter what you want, but then you start doubting if they'll get it right or if the chef will cook it properly. You keep changing your order, unsure of what you truly want. Now, when the dish arrives, it's not what you initially asked for because your instructions were unclear and inconsistent. Similarly, when manifesting or praying, if your thoughts are unclear, filled with doubt, or constantly changing, it's like sending mixed signals to the universe. It may struggle to interpret your desires clearly, leading to less effective manifestations. Clarity and consistency in your thoughts are like a crystal clear order to the universe, increasing the likelihood of getting what you truly want. In conclusion, the universe listens keenly to the language of the present moment. By using the present tense, you're telling the universe that your desires are unfolding right now. So, embrace this powerful concept and watch as your dreams become your reality. If you found this video enlightening, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who can benefit. Thank you for joining us today, and may you continue to harness the limitless power of the present tense in your manifestation journey. Remember, manifestation is a personal journey, and results may vary. It's essential to maintain a positive and realistic perspective on your goals. Seek professional guidance when necessary.